Are you already in Clubhouse? If you are not in Clubhouse or you do not know what Clubhouse is, please watch this video because I'm going to show you the biggest trend in social media in 2021 and how you can be part of it even right now when it is in beta. Hi, this is Ernesto Verdugo, and I want to share with you a really interesting hack. If you search anywhere in Twitter, or if you search in Instagram, or you search in Facebook, you're going to see a lot of people which are trying to find out how to get into Clubhouse. Clubhouse right now, it's closed, it's in beta, and you can only get in by invitation. However, I found a very interesting hack that you can apply right away to get access to this platform. And of course, it's for free. So how does that work? Well, first of all, let me tell you what Clubhouse is in case you have never heard about it. Well, what is different about this social platform is that everything is going to be through audio. This is very interesting because right now we're using audio in Alexa, we're using audio in the Google platform, we're using Siri. A lot of things are done through audio, and this is great because there's only one platform which is a social media platform for audio, and that is Clubhouse. Now, how would you be able to use it? Well, just think about this. Imagine that you are in a Facebook group and you have a ton of people there in the Facebook group, and of course you can only communicate with them by doing posts, or else you can of course do a Facebook room. But what is very interesting about this platform is that you will be able to communicate in real time with your phone through audio. You can also do conferences, or you could also do press conference for people which are in the media, which is now being very used for. You can also use it for teaching. Also, you can use it for having hypnosis clients, all sorts of things that you can use. It's actually very, very interesting. So now that you know how it works, let me tell you what you need to do. Just underneath this video, on the description of the video, you're going to find a link. When you see that link, all you need to do is click on the link, and it's going to take you into the place where you will be able to save your handle. See, for example, my handle for all my social media platforms is @Ernesto Verdugo. Well, I wanted to make sure that I also have @Ernesto Verdugo in Clubhouse. So all you need to do is save your handle so that it's already there. The moment that you have already saved your handle, then you can ask any of the members inside of Clubhouse that you know. You can ask me, or you can ask someone else to actually accept you. And then you will have access to the platform without having to get a invitation. Because what happens is right now, because they are in beta, whenever you are accepted, you only have one invitation. But I discovered this hack that by simply just clicking on this link, which is not an affiliate link, is actually the link that they provide for you. You click on it, you reserve your handle, and after you have your handle reserved, you can ask me, or you can ask anyone else which is already on the platform to accept you. And then when you go there, you're going to find a number of different things which are very interesting. But I'm going to give you, just before we go, a few recommendations, because I think it's very important. When I just got into the platform, I had no idea. So I started observing, and I noticed three things. First of all, there's only one place where you can have a picture. So please make sure that you don't use a logo. Please make sure that you use a great picture of yourself. That's the first thing that you need to do. You need to have a great bio or a great profile. On this profile, what I've noticed is that every single person that has been there already for a while has a specific syntax, a specific order of what they are including in their profile. So the first thing that they are including is they start their bio or their profile with this statement: I am Ernesto Verdugo and I help people do such and such. So it's a help statement. You have to put a I help statement. Second, what you're going to do is you're going to have a conversion link, which I think is great. You can have up to 3 conversion links inside. So you can have one to your website, you can have one to your Facebook group, or anywhere where you will be able to capture traffic from Clubhouse, or you can also have to your YouTube channel or whatever you want. And the third thing that you need to have is you need to write down what are your accomplishments. What is what makes you different than the rest of the people? What have you accomplished and how can you help people? Remember, this is about helping people. And that's why I believe that this platform is going to be very, very interesting in 2021. Anyway, that was my tip for today. Make sure to just click on the link below so that you will be able to create your handle. Please, if you like this hack, give me a like, give me a comment, heart this video, and I look forward to seeing you in another video where I will be also talking about more great stuff on Clubhouse. Bye-bye.